Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with minimal delay. Ensure you have a recent backup and a USB recovery drive ready. Once done, reboot into recovery by holding Shift and selecting Restart from Start. That takes you to advanced options where repair tools live. Make sure to note the SRT trail, TXT error timestamp, and any code shown so you track changes. You'll need Command Prompt and Startup Repair next, so select Troubleshoot then Advanced Options. This moves you directly into the environment to run targeted repairs. You now run Startup Repair. If that fails, open Command Prompt to perform file and disk repairs. Start with chkdsk/f/r to fix disk errors, then run sfc/scanO/offbootdir equals C, //offwindir equals C, /Windows to repair system files offline. Next, use dism with dism/image, C, //cleanupimage/restore health if available. Finally, rebuild boot components, bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild. Once done, reboot. You finish by removing recovery media and rebooting to confirm stability. If Windows boots, run Windows Update and an offline antivirus scan to prevent recurrence. If problems persist, try System Restore from Advanced Options or select Reset this PC keeping files as a measured fallback. Make sure to save a copy of the SRT trail, TXT timestamp, and any recent log entries before large changes. That helps if you need to repeat diagnostics or escalate to professional support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.